in our life today. They are here for their own benefit, for their selfish benefit.
Don't you ever rest. You have zero time for me now. Always on this thing.
I need to double my hustle. Because you're my princess. And you know it takes big money to maintain a princess. Can't you see?
I know, baby. But see, it's not always about the money. Sometimes the princess needs her prince.
Of course I know, but you know, I'm trying to see if I can also some money. So that I'll go and send that money back.
Okay.
Because these days, if I'm sleeping, village people will be passing. Eh? Walking around. I say, village people that have come. So let me go and give them their money. So that I can now work from my own.
Our money.
Any money I'm making now is our money.
Baby, I wish you luck.
Amen. Hey, you are my princess. Eh? You see that time you were telling me, calm down. The thing will work, I didn't believe. Now I have calmed down.
If you go, you
because
it now.
I have come to understand the business more. Eh? You see, and now I see my hand is really. You don't
even have time for yourself.
What can I do? What can I do?
Baby, you meet me in the room, okay?
It's alright. Are you sure I'm not going to follow you to the room? Hey! Oh, this money will have to wait. Eh? Let the money wait. Yeah. The one can wait. Hey, Mbamba.
For their selfish benefit, the very careful. Maka mega kwama, from grace to grass, Mabo princess, table to grandia, aqua to Gualma, Wamisia Pura Alobatia, family common person, for Nanya.
Adama, where are you going?
Take me to the hospital, baby.
Easy. Which hospital?
St. Peter's.
Congratulations to the latest father in Amako Kingdom.
Congratulations. What kind of joke is that? I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
You are surprised. I went to drop off a passenger. So, as I was coming back, I saw the princess in labor, trekking to the hospital. So I quickly helped her. Well, thank God I came the time I came. Immediately she got into my keke. Her water bag broke off. And just at the gate of the hospital, your son came right inside my keke. As I'm talking to you now, your bouncing baby boy is shining. Congratulations. Did you just hear what I said?
Am I deaf?
I said your first child just came in now, and you are looking at me like this. Are you not happy?
Hey, you going chinti? Am I deaf? Hey, do I resemble that to you? Eh? I heard what you said, and what do you want me to do? You want me to start jumping around the village and jubilating?
Is it too much for you to do? Do you know how many people that is looking for child?
See, Adanna is not my problem. In fact, Adanna is the genesis of my problem. Since she came into my life, everything about me turned upside down. Just look at me. Just negudim. Eh? If only she is wise, she could have made use of her brain. And not... See, I asked for an opportunity, not a child. Eh? There are millions of girls out there. I didn't ask for that.
Look at you. Eh? Look at you. You are causing this lady so much pain. I can't believe I'm hearing this from you, Mwabu.
Hey, the truth is bitter, my friend. I don't care who it hurts.
Well, if that is the way you take it, let me just advise you. Let me advise you. Go to St. Peter's Hospital and visit Adanna. Don't say I did not tell you. I'm going. Goodbye.
Everywhere. I asked for an opportunity, not a child.
Most of the people in our life today, they are here for their own benefit, for their selfish benefit. They are very careful. Maka mega kwama.
Ijoma, I am very hungry. I have not eaten anything all day.
Hi.
My baby is hungry too because my breast isn't producing enough milk for him.
My princess, you should have sent Jidenna instead of carrying this little baby under this hot sun.
Ijoma, it doesn't matter.
Hey.
Please, just give us something to eat, please.
It's okay. Don't worry, let me get you water. Not that cold, you have to manage this. And it's pure water. Please manage it. Big boy.
Welcome to my father's abode. Yeah, look at me. Yes, I'm here.
What is it?
What is it? Ifeoma is me, oh. This is my father's house.
Ebuka is here. Ebuka is here.
Who?
Ebuka. Yes, he's back.
Yeah?
He's here.
Hey!
Allow me! Please. Allow me!
He's still your brother.
No.
Please.
It's between me and this thief.
I know.
It's between me. Tell me one reason. Give me one reason that should spare you.
Please.
No, give me one reason.
Please.
See,
what we are going to settle this thing and because without hurting anyone. Just we are here for peace. Please.
No, we won't pack it. No, we won't pack it. Allow me.
Allow me. Calm down. I know you have to be angry, but at least I have made it. I have made the family proud. Now I can beat my chest, say, yes, I stole the money. Can't you see? You have to calm down and let's settle this thing.
Please, just forgive him. Just don't mind him. Don't mind him. I beg you,
You're
please.
still very proud.
Please.
You're proud of. You're still proud. This is the money. Oh! What? Give that on the motor. What on that? Give me that thing.
What is the calm down? Call on police.
Thank you very much. Honestly, you just saved a life.
My princess, you can't go hungry. Not when I'm still alive. Don't worry. I'll get an Okada man to bring food for you in the palace every day. And also, if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask me.
Joma, God bless you. I will never forget this kind gesture. Thank you.
Princess, hope you don't mind. Why is the father of your child not supporting you? If not for anything, for the sake of his child.
He has refused to have anything to do with me. He didn't even come to visit us in the hospital. Till now, we have not set eyes on him.
He's wicked. Why is he using the problem between you and him to affect the child? But don't worry. Everything will be fine. Take this. Buy pap and milk for him. I believe this will be enough for today. Just manage it.
Thank you very much.
My princess, please, you can eat this later. Just manage it.
Joma, thank you very much. I am grateful. God will continually bless you.
Let's ship soon.
What a life. Who would have believed that you, Ijoma, will someday feed me? That you will be my savior. Thank you very much. Thank you.
See, Ebuka, this is not a joke.
No, my guys are doing well. My guys in Ghana, they are cashing out. Now, how do I come to Ghana? We need to move over to Ghana. I just don't know how they cash out. My problem is that anything that has to do with internet, give internet. I am as comfortable with it because before you know it, when they will be a while, before they will dupe somebody. Yeah? I'm not comfortable with online things. I know I need money, but not anyone that requires wayo. Is this not Yahoo? You are talking about?
See. It's like you're not ready to come out of poverty. Only from my brother, poverty is a desire and I don't want it. Nah. Book club now. Okay for only for that. Any small amount of money for on into Ghana. Just cash out on. Hey. It have how fresh those guys now then. Nah.
Ghana will work because
no you need to get out cash out there. Big money.
So if you go to Ghana now, it's in Ghana abroad.
Sharp.
Okay. Like how much now somebody need to go to this Ghana and do this business?
Like 50k and more because you need more money now. You need to survive before you be able to cash out. Nobody be able to go now.
50,000 get it?
Like 50,000 or more.
Nah, Ebuka, what go? Ghana ne uzuku. 50,000 you don't have. Ghana you cannot go. Hi. So if somebody say now I'm abroad, you say I'm in Ghana. As you are abroad.
As long as I went,
you are coming back.
And travel abroad.
It's alright. 50,000. I think I have to call my baby. Hello. Oh, my darling. How are you? It's alright. I'm fine. Please, oh, my baby. See, there is something I want to talk to you now about. Please, yes, I have business I want to do now. I just need money, small money, oh, like 80,000. Yes. I just need it like no. Today. Let me use it and start this business. That's this business I want to. Once I do this business, I don't blow. I'm telling you. Are you serious? I should come and take. Oh, my darling. Oh, don't worry, I'm coming. You will see me. No. Open your leg and close it, you will see me. Yes, alright. Nah. If you go near, you are still telling me if you see money. I have seen money. As I'm talking to you now, I'm off to the city. So look after the village square. Take care of the elders in the village. Up home.
Nah, let me bring the business.
Come whatever connection. So don't worry. Take care of Ndichie when I come back.
Ebuka.
Eka. Eka. What is this? Chicken. Eka. Zela. Where did Onyeka get this kind of money? I'm looking for small money to go to Ghana for the internet. And Onyeka is packing this money here. Onyeka. Ifeoma! Can I work? Oli! My senior brother! Ifeoma! Who is my senior brother? Nobody's around. They left the room. Wait, let me be sure. This is mommy. Nika will have this money. And none of us are suffering in this house. Ebuka. Ebus. Sit here, I go. There's no need of even packing my things.
So you left with the whole money without considering what we're going to pass through. Eh? Okay, let me ask you. Did you even ask yourself where the money came from?
I'm sorry. I know I messed up. Because I was desperate to make money. So desperate to make money. So as soon as I saw that money, I took it and leave. So thank God that Tony here helped me. I did not misuse it. I invested it in something that I know that will fetch me more money. But thank God today it really did. Yes. All thanks to Tony here. Through her brother. I invested the money.
As I was saying, it's an online, fast paying business. You can give it a try.
Well, I've heard what you said, but I still don't understand. How can somebody be doing business with somebody you're not seeing? Burego be the person.
Point of correction. They are not unseen. You know what? I am tired of explaining further. If you are interested, Tonya will reach me. I will teach you how to trade without percentage for free just because of her.
Thank you.
Sonia, I'm leaving.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Baby, forget the way he's looking. He's in money.
What do you think?
I think you should invest in it. It's not a scam, it's for real. I know a lot of people that are benefiting from this trade.
He's your brother. I can trust him.
Don't mind the way he's looking.
Like this.
Forget about the way he's looking.
That is earpod, is the original one.
Baby, it is. He has touched money. When I mean money.
He has touched money?
Yes.
Like this.
Oh, baby.
So now, my happiness is that the money did not go like that. I invested in and I made double of what I took.
So are you now ready to pay back?
More than I took. Yes, even with interest. Whatever happened to that land, I will bring it back.
That's exactly what I want to hear. That's exactly what I want to hear.
It's all right. That's why I'm back, for us to settle everything in peace. So that I will not be sleeping and having bad dreams. Every time I'll be sleeping, I'll be seeing village people walking around my head. So I said, let me come and settle all of you. So that you people will follow me to go and marry my sweetheart. So, what of Onyeka?
Onyeka is dead.
Huh?
But I was still mean to you. I treated you badly at times.
Princess, you were naive then. Not just to me alone. And you didn't do it to me personally.
I am sorry.
It's okay. It's all in the past now. We are in the present, my princess.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's okay. Hope you will come tomorrow.
I will.
Please,
Bye-bye.
take care of him.
I will. Thank you.
Is this emergency travel or what? Huh? Why are you crying?
Bianca sent my son and I out of the palace.
Mbana, it can't happen. Huh? Why?
I don't know. But she just asked us to leave.
I can't take this. I can't allow her to commit this abomination. It won't happen. How can she drive away the princess of this kingdom out of the palace? Mbano, Ameme. Let me take you back. Let me take you back. I will talk sex into her.
No.
Huh?
I have had enough.
No, I said I will talk to...
Oh no, I said no. I can never go back to that palace over my dead body.
Hey. But where are you going now? Huh?
Nowhere, but I know we will be fine.
All right, I will talk to her. I will get back to you. Take it easy, It will be alright.
We should not be selling our back. That is what I'm saying. That is exactly what I am saying.
Officer, arrest this man. And this one. This is his accomplice. Arrest him. Arrest him and take them all.
You cannot arrest me. I am the owner of this noble institution. Yes. Arresting me is tantamount to an insult to this noble traditional institution. I am the second in command in this institution. You cannot arrest me. If you want to arrest me, go outside. I will come to your police station.
Officers, take them away and lock them.
Old man. I am not a criminal.
Officers, do your job. Take them away.
Outside. Please move it or I'll move you. Move it, old man. I said move. Yes, sir. I will move, but let me. I said move. I said move. Old man, move it. Move it. I will move. Move the door. Let me. Send this one to this institution.
Take them away and lock them.
I am the owner of this kingdom. Why should not be arrested? I can command criminal. Move it, old man.
As for the rest of you, this will be a stern warning. Go on with the meeting. I will join you soon.
Wow! That's a good one. My fellow elders, I think this meeting has come to an end. Yes! And I'm ready. We cannot continue. What meeting has come to an end?
Where are you going like this? Crying? Eh? What happened?
I'm tired of this life. I don't know if God is punishing me for all my sins. Chidena, life has not been fair to me. Life has not been fair. Mwabweze, your friend, abandoned us.
Oga, now which kind of rubbish be this one now? Why they use me talk?
I better not verse. If you take another cake, I beg. I can't leave this lady like this in this condition. Alright. Tell me where you are going, I can take you there.
Nowhere. I don't have anywhere to go to. Bianca sent my son and I out of the palace.
What? You mean Bianca sent you and your son away? Okay. Alright. I know what to do. Just hop in the keke. Let me take you somewhere.
Call the doctor. Who will call the doctor? Are you asking? Call the doctor. Lele. They are asking me to call the doctor.
Don't worry yourself. She has maids and guards.
Dikeh, what happened to your hand? Call the doctor.
My phone fell sick the day I was flogged.
I fell sick, my phone also fell sick. So it cannot die number.
If your phone is sick, yourself is sick, and you will expect me to be well. My phone is also sick.
I know. Anybody can do that. I know.
This has to stop. You did not deserve this from my friend. Someone need to talk some sense into him. Take your child. Jidenna. See, I must tell you the truth, no matter how bitter it is. You put Adanna in a family way, and ever since then you have abandoned them. You cannot even bring out little of your time to go and check on them. Why are you like this? This is not my friend. Why are you like this?
Jidenna, what's the meaning of this? What is going on?
What is going on is that Adanna was chased out from the palace with your child, and she has nowhere to go. That is what is going on. Why not stand as a man and face your responsibility instead of pushing it on another person?
Madam, please, how do you feel now?
I'm weak. I feel pain, excruciating pain.
I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I am so ashamed of myself right now. I was so preoccupied with a lot of things on my head and forgot the most important thing to do. I'm sorry. Please.
It shouldn't be. I failed you.
Jidenna. You're a true friend. Thank you so much.
Later, please, just take care of your family and stop all this.
Okay.
You are a man.
It's alright. You see this baby now? We are going to kill a cow for the baby. Yeah?
Yes,
see, look at this money. I'm giving the baby 100,000. What boss? Take. Hold the money. Hold the money. We are going to use it to buy cow. Jidenna. When can you go try you? We are going to, let me carry your things inside. Come inside. There's money now. Opportunity now bring back. Tap opportunity. Move it. Oh yeah, let's go. Jidenna, you can go. When we buy drink, we'll call you. Oh yeah, come. Jidenna, you can go.
Desperation overambitious malukwana onye jife nwata weni akenu malukwa onye jife nwata weni akenu one day malumma.
Madam, with the look of things now, you can't push this baby. We need to take you to the hospital for proper checkup.
Please call my father. I want to speak with my father. I want to speak with my father.
All right, it's okay. I'll do that if that's what you want. Okay? Just relax, take a deep breath, and be calm. Okay?
Something must be wrong. The toad does not run in the daytime event. It's either he's chasing after something or something is chasing after it.
That's true.
But she doesn't come out except there is an emergency.
Yes, now. Maybe she has a message from the gods.
She's already here. Let's see her.
I have brought a message for the queen. Where is she?
Great messenger of the gods. The queen is in labor right now.
Yes, she's in labor.
She must confess her sins. Else, she won't bring forth the child in her womb.
Greetings to you, elders. Please, who amongst you is the father to the queen? She requests his presence immediately.
Then we will send a messenger to fetch the father of the queen, because he is not here right now.
Please do that now. It's very urgent.
Then we will send an urgent message.
Yeah? Now what do we do?
Alanam.
Hey,
Where are you going?
We're
going back.
Inside.
To do what?
Don't you hear
Did you not hear the messenger? Let's go inside.
You want to tell me that you did not hear the message? Say you're going back. Going
Oh, yeah.
to here.
I have an email.
Malukwana onye jife nwata weni akenu akagelo ile Malukwa onye jife nwata weni akenu akagelo ile one day malumma
I'll confess. I'll confess. I'll confess.
Well, Bianca, I'm going to make this clear to you once again. Adana is my daughter, and you are my wife. Adana is capable of handling the company. Of course, she's been doing well in it. You should focus on being the queen.
My king, this is unfair. Adana is your daughter. I am your wife.
We are saying the same thing, Bianca. Don't push this too far. Listen, I love you. You are my wife. I married you to be my companion, not running around some offices.
Fine. Fine. So be it. Fine. It's dawned on me that I am nothing but a ceremonial wife. I am totally useless to you. Nothing but a piece of furniture in your bedroom. I was married to serve you and Adana all my life.
Stop it, Bianca. Stop it!
Malukwana onye jife nwata weni akenu akagelo ile Malukwa onye jife nwata weni akenu akagelo ile one day malumma imalunja imatama okwana lokeje
Wakey.
Bianca, is that you?
It is me.
You look very happy. Why are we having breakfast here? That's unusual, breakfast in bed.
Two things. Last night you talked about marrying me for companionship. My king, please let me speak, please. So I thought to myself, Bianca, just maybe you're lacking in that department. And I decided to give you a romantic treat. Breakfast in bed, just for both of us. And what? Guess what? Specially prepared by me.
Ooh! In fact, that's so thoughtful of you.
Thank you.
Really? Okay. So what's the second reason?
I just want to say thank you. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful life that I have now. Take a good look at me. I'm all changed. Thank you.
Good. I am happy that finally you have seen reasons with me. You don't have to worry about anything. I am the king. I will do everything for you within my power. You'll be comfortable in this palace.
You are the sweetest old king on earth.
Oh, flatter me.
Oh my God, I'm so happy.
I am too. Well,
oh, no. I will feed you myself. Please. Here we go. You know you'll forever remain my baby. I know. You love it?
Sweet blend.
Yeah.
Of love.
I know, right? I added some honey instead of sugar. I had to do it myself this time. Have some more.
Bianca, you went too far. This is beyond pardon. You committed a sacrilege by killing the king. Oh, I have always warned you. Pardon, I warned you from the beginning.
Ibana.
Hey!
You killed the king. Iburigwe.
Princess, what do we do to cleanse the land of this abomination?
She should be banished immediately.
I don't know. Please forgive me, please. I beg you. I'm so sorry for trying to abandon you.
I forgive even before you ask. My only pain right now is because my dad refused to listen to me. Now look at what he brought upon himself.
My dear, what matters now is that the evil has been ejected from the palace. You can now go back and take what belonged to you. Okay? Come here.
no, my Jemano. I'm going to Bagumbo. Igwe.
Oh boy, you know it.
Igwe.
This man.
I got the line. I got the line.
Oh, yes, I will. Hey! Igwe! Odogu Kibu. Igwe!
With my beautiful wife. I want us to proceed to the village square for merriment.
About the demand.
Desperation on me overambitious on me Malukwana onye chife nwata weni akenu Malukwa onye chife nwata weni akenu one day malumma imatama okwana lokeje binenuwa achuno wanike okwa lokeje binenuwa wannena achuno wanike konya diria nkemu dirimo makegi dirigia Amakom kingdom, yeah. Amakom kingdom, yeah. Delay.